This guy uses a paint roller applied with thick silky cement for a unique wall design. This group of construction workers easily apply the cement to the wall with their great team effort. This guy uses an industrial cutting machine to easily cut tiles in just a matter of minutes. Using a sponge with a steel spatula, this guy easily creates a good wall design. This guy uses an innovative idea to create an embossed wall design in just a matter of minutes. This water-based floor filler is easily mixed and applied on the floor for a better, bright and clear finish. This guy is very smart. He uses the arm of this tractor to reach the other side of the floor to replenish and smooth the surface. This guy uses a roller that connects to a full brush handle to give more efficient work in applying wood floor varnish. This guy uses a pre-template tile setter. They easily set tiles in a matter of minutes. This guy easily smoothened the floor with a combination of quick dry epoxy and his smart skills. This guy is very talented, using a steel pipe and rolling it up front and backward to smoothen the cement on the floor. This guy is a champion in terms of setting tiles in angular design in the bathroom. This guy uses a self-leveling concrete to fill the gap in this floor area. This guy uses a vacuum technique to remove the excess water on the floor. This guy uses an industrial syringe to inject the adhesive under the wood floor. Using a soft sponge spatula, this guy easily fill up the gap on the floor and finish it up with a sponge to smooth the surface. This guy uses a roller pad with an extension pole to smoothen and have a durable finish flooring. This guy uses an angular tile setting technique in order to have a unique floor design. This tile grout attachment easily peels up the grout and removes same time the excess pillar. This guy uses an improvised spatula to easily get the pillar from his bucket container. Another smart move from this guy, hangs himself with a rope to smoothen the wet cement floor. This guy uses a rubberized spatula to easily apply the paint to this tennis court. This guy uses black cement and carefully uses a sponge to have a unique wall design.